Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to use subscript or superscript in Microsoft Word document. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first you written a document. We want to a plus b whole square algorithm. When we written this algorithm, it did not proper. We used to subscript in this clue. At first we go to home tab and click and we use subscript in a plus b to part. At first you select 2 and go to home and click superscript, and when we click superscript hit a plus b whole square r, and in this way we select 2 and go to superscript and also a plus b square. At first select and click superscript. It is proper. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the same way, when we return chemistry clue, when we return water clue, it is needed for subscript. When select it and go to home tab and it is needed subscript, click the subscript option in pop-up S2O. S2O, it is a water clue. In this way we use subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word document. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel and keep watching next tutorial. Thank you.